All right, today's report includes both new cases and includes a significant effort to get through Fayette County's backlog cases and get them up to date, current. So I'm going to give you an overall number that is for today that is startlingly high, and then I'm going to break it out and how many of them are truly today and how many of them are backlogged cases. Even without the backlog cases, we're on pace, unfortunately, to have another record week for the most cases that we have had. Now, we have always reported statewide cases when we receive them. It's the only way we can do it, because otherwise we're going to go back and edit numerous reports. But we are providing transparency in how many of these are truly today and how many of them are getting Lexington up to speed. So today we're reporting 2,398 cases of the coronavirus. Breaking those down, we're reporting 926 new cases today. That is a significant number in and of itself, and as it compares to the last several weeks, it is the second highest number of those last 4 weeks. There are 1,472, we'll call them historical cases. They're mainly from the last month and a half from Fayette County, so many of those could even be in the last several weeks. We believe that with the exception of maybe a couple hundred, which will come in over the next couple days, this will get Fayette County caught up and current. I'd reiterate that we need our local health departments, which are working really hard to timely report the data, and we see that the vast majority of them have, and this is a way to get one of what has been one of the slower, based on the number of cases, certainly one of the slower health departments caught up, and so the state numbers and the local health department will be reflective. Now, those are all real cases. Just because they didn't happen today. Those are 2,398 individuals. We hope most of them are asymptomatic, but you can apply the same percentages, whether it's 1.7%, which is the mortality rate, or the higher hospitalization rate, and know there are a lot of Kentuckians out there that this virus is affecting. 358 of today's cases are kids 18 years or younger. And these cases that we're reporting today, the 2,398, they all go into the overall number of cases because they hadn't been previously included in it. That gets us up to 76,587. Certainly more cases than we want. Our positivity rate, however, remains in a pretty good place at 4.21%. Number of tests continues to rise, 1.568 million. 672 Kentuckians currently hospitalized for COVID, 161 in the ICU, 79 on a ventilator. New cases by county, and remember, there are 1,472 Fayette County cases that were over the last month and a half that are included in these. So Fayette County today, 1,510, Jefferson 192, Warren 31, Hopkins 30. Remember, Hopkins was hit really hard early on, about 20 deaths plus coming out of one major super spreader event. Again, it shows you how this virus can strike. 28 from Davis, 25 from Kenton and Laurel, 21 from Bullitt and Scott, 20 from Boone, Hardin, and Henderson, 16 from Knox, 15 from Christian and Whitley, 14 from Callaway, Pike, and Shelby, 13 from Franklin, Knott, Letcher, 12 from Adair, Boyle, and Todd, 11 from Graves, and 10 from Allen. Sadly, today we've lost 5 additional Kentuckians, and we expect in the next several weeks these daily numbers will go up as the number of cases have gone up. Each one is an important individual whose family loves and misses them. Today's report includes a 65-year-old man from Harlan County, a 80-year-old woman from Greenup County, a 75-year-old woman from Whitley County, a 68-year-old man from Fayette County, and a 79-year-old man from Henderson County. today we've got another one of those examples of the fact that this is not just individuals on a spreadsheet, but real people who are loved and who are missed.